Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University, and in this really quick pro tip, I'm going to show you how I created this video trailer. I did another trailer called First Light James Bond. I'll link that below, but this came from an inspiration of watching Resident Evil the other day. So I want to create a James Bond version of this and make it a horror trailer and call it Last Light. To create the thumbnail, I went to Microsoft Designer. I use 15 free credits every single month, and I created this. And I also have a video lesson on how to use Microsoft Designer. I'll link those two lessons below. Regarding the assets, I went to Pexels.com and used tags like women, scary, or horror, something like that. And you'll find these videos, and they have a lot of different videos you can choose from if you want to follow along with this lesson. I also link this below because Merlin light paintings are pretty cool, and this is where I got some of the videos for that. This is also where you can find the lady dancing and these types of videos that I use in my video. The song was called The Thirst by Belladonna Strings. With that said, let's go. First and foremost, everything I use to do this video trailer is in DaVinci Resolve 21, the free version. Despite the fact that I'm using DaVinci Resolve Studio 21, I use no studio assets. What you're going to find here is I use a lot of different types of compositing. You got lighten right there, darken, saturation. If you see red, I use saturation. But with this particular clip, with this guy, I saturated it red, but then at the end I did some speed ramping. So if I press Control Command plus R, you'll see where I kind of speed ramp him up toward the end there, right there. That's just basic speed ramping. But a lot of what I did, again, you're going to see some compositing changes. And if it's normal, sometimes this will be, the opacity will be half, so I can see the video clip on the bottom. Color burn, you see it's half here, so I can see this. From video to video, I changed a lot of the opacity. And this video, we went from red, saturation, to blacked her out. Then we went soft light and constantly changed the compositing. And at the end, I changed the compositing, used the same clip, but changed it. I blacked her out and then just changed it pin light. And that's how we got the light, this coming in on normal and this on soft light. And that was really the trick here. I mean, coupled with bringing in different sound effects, different ambient sound. And I get a lot of my sounds from Epidemic Sound, or I get it free on YouTube or different places. But you want to incorporate a lot of sound effects. And of course, the song has to fit as well. But just, you're going to see a lot of compositing tricks here. And to make that effect happen, I use like detailed effects. And if you go over here to effects, I use basic video transitions. And most of these are in the free version of DaVinci Resolve 21. Here's a basic camera shake. You can find that here in your transitions. If I go to my toolbox, mine looks like this. And here's my basic camera shakes, edgy, glitch. I just use a lot of these transitions that are free in DaVinci Resolve. Zoom in, zoom out, things like that. Non-additive dissolves. That's pretty much how I put this together. It's very simple. It's old school video editing. But again, I did this in 3 hours. It was fun to do, and it's just kind of a cool project. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.